Maintaining proper tire pressure in your Tesla is crucial for safety, efficiency, and tire longevity. Underinflated tires can reduce your range by 10 to 15%, affect handling, and increase the risk of blowouts. Tesla vehicles come equipped with advanced tire pressure monitoring that alerts you to issues before they become serious problems. The recommended tire pressure, or PSI, varies depending on your Tesla model and the type of tires installed. For instance, standard tires on a Model 3 might require 45 psi in the front and 42 psi in the rear, while performance variants with larger wheels need even higher pressures. To find the exact specifications for your vehicle, check the sticker located on the driver's side door jamb. This label provides the most accurate tire pressure information tailored to your Tesla. The sticker includes details like seating capacity, tire size, and recommended cold tire pressure in both English and French. For example, the Cybertruck, designed for rugged terrain, uses lower pressure around 35 to 40 psi due to its all-terrain tires and unique build. Always refer to the sticker on your vehicle's door jamb for the most accurate and up-to-date information specific to your Tesla model and tire configuration. To check your tire pressure, first park your Tesla on a flat surface and ensure the car is on. On the central touchscreen, tap the controls icon, which looks like a steering wheel. Next, select Service from the menu. Then select Tires or Wheels and Tires in some models. This will display the tire pressure screen, showing a graphical wheel diagram with PSI readings for each tire. The tire pressure screen in your Tesla displays the current PSI for each tire. You'll see readings for the front left, front right, rear left, and rear right tires, shown as FL, FR, RL, and RR respectively. For example, you might see FL 45, FR 45, RL 42, RR 42. These numbers represent the current pressure in pounds per square inch for each tire. Compare these readings to the recommended PSI listed on your vehicle's door jamb sticker. This sticker provides the manufacturer's suggested pressures for your specific Tesla model. If any tire pressure is below the recommended level, it needs to be inflated to maintain optimal performance, safety, and tire longevity. If your tire pressure monitor shows readings below the recommended PSI, it's time to add air to your tires. You'll need a tire pressure gauge to measure the current pressure and an air inflator to add air until you reach the recommended PSI. To add air, remove the valve cap from the tire, attach the air hose from your inflator, and slowly add air while monitoring the pressure gauge. Once you've reached the correct pressure, replace the valve cap and drive the vehicle for a few miles. This allows the tire pressure monitoring system to recalibrate and confirm the new readings. Tesla's mobile app includes a tire care section where you can view historical pressure data, receive alerts for low pressure, and track maintenance schedules to keep your tires in optimal condition. Tesla vehicles feature a direct tire pressure monitoring system with sensors installed in each wheel. These sensors continuously monitor pressure and transmit data wirelessly to the vehicle's computer. The system displays real-time pressure readings in pounds per square inch directly on the central touchscreen, eliminating the need for manual gauges. Tesla recommends checking tire pressure monthly or before long trips. The system triggers visual and haptic warnings when pressure drops to 10% below recommended levels. The FSD supervised software offers predictive tire pressure alerts using artificial intelligence to analyze your driving patterns and suggest adjustments before issues occur. These TPMS features provide significant benefits, including improved vehicle safety, better energy efficiency, and extended tire lifespan. The EV market is shifting towards smarter, automated tire management. Tesla vehicles are at the forefront of this transformation, moving beyond basic monitoring to predictive and automated systems. Expect increasing integration of AI and IoT for predictive maintenance. Advanced algorithms will analyze driving patterns and environmental factors to predict tire pressure needs before issues occur. Future Teslas may self-adjust pressure using onboard compressors. Imagine the vehicle automatically maintaining optimal pressure without driver intervention, responding to changing conditions in real time. Battery tech advancements may link tire pressure to energy management, optimizing for highway versus city driving. lower pressure for city efficiency, higher for highway stability, all managed automatically. The future is heading towards full automation and zero maintenance vehicles. Tesla's tire pressure systems will become invisible to drivers, with everything handled seamlessly by the vehicle's intelligence. Ignoring low pressure alerts can lead to tire damage and reduced range, as seen in Tesla owner incidents. In 2024, a Model 3 owner in California ignored alerts during a road trip, resulting in uneven tire wear and a near blowout. The touchscreen showed 38 PSI rear versus the recommended 42, highlighting the system's effectiveness. Regular checks via the screen can prevent downtime and save money. Fleet studies with Tesla vehicles show that regular pressure monitoring reduces downtime by 15% compared to manual methods. Tesla service data indicates 60% of tire-related service visits are resolved via app-guided adjustments, saving owners $200 to $500 annually. Tesla engineers emphasize the TPMS as a silent guardian that enhances EV safety, reducing tire-related accident risk by 50% through proactive alerts. Combine touchscreen checks with quarterly professional inspections, as sensors can fail with a 1 to 2% failure rate per NHTSA data. Tire industry experts advise this combination for optimal reliability. Stay informed and prioritize tire health for optimal performance and safety. Statistics show that 70% of EV owners underinflate tires, leading to 5 to 10% efficiency losses, which Tesla's system helps mitigate.